Add beer to your pork and be amazed by the result. We start by adding 1.5 kilograms of pork to the pot. Add 1 liter of water. And the key ingredient in this recipe is 350 milliliters of a good beer of your choice. We're also adding 2 teaspoons of salt, 2 bay leaves, black pepper and herbs to taste. Now add 1 peeled carrot cut into slices, a whole onion and a whole red onion just cut in half. Add 6 cloves of chopped garlic. Now just cover and let it cook for an hour. Near the end of this time, in a bowl, add 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey, 3 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 120 milliliters of beef broth. Stir well until you get a smooth texture. After an hour, our pork looks like this. We're going to brush the sauce we just prepared. The next step is to bake it at 170 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes. Remove from the oven, brush the sauce again, and return to the oven for another 30 minutes at the same temperature. After all this time, our pork is ready, and I guarantee it's worth every step. Drizzle the pork with the sauce when serving and enjoy. The result couldn't be anything other than juicy, flavorful pork, perfect for impressing on any occasion. The beer adds an extra touch, giving it an irresistible texture and aroma, and don't worry, the alcohol evaporates. Now it's your turn to try it. Tell us in the comments what you think of this tip and if you do anything differently. Leave a like if you enjoyed the recipe and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any new updates. See you in the next video.